Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll teaching you how to fix blurry Instagram stories with music. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Instagram app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And that is very important. And it's important to say that works to your iPhone or to your Android, okay? Works for both, so don't worry about that. The first step is go to your profile in your Instagram, and right here you need to click in the three lines in the top and right corner, okay? After that you need to click in the first option to go to the settings. Right here in the settings you need to go to your account section, okay? And after that you need to scroll down and click in cellular data use, okay? After that, you need to disable that first option right here, the data saver, and after that, you enable the upload at highest quality, okay? After that, any stories you post with music or without music, you be in the highest quality as possible, okay? So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!